We are going Dinajpur famous place. The place called name City Park without girls. In this area, my friend Apurva
City Park.
he brought a room and bed share with GF.
Rent a room.
The park called name City Park. Look this park. Nicely decorated. We see nearly. We buy some fruit, mixture, tasty, healthy. So buy some fruits. We buy this product, mixture taken Lucy. In this room, making alcohol, fresh alcohol. We are going to reach this room nearly for taken alcohol in our blood. Now we already reached the famous place. Now we present famous the tree of lychee. Elements are ready. Beautiful scenery here. Not only we, here lots of people gather in the place. Now my feelings better.
Yeah.
I enjoy this time.
So now guys, I'm from Banglawar in Dinajpur. Meet my big brothers in Dada. We are still. টাটা দেখা হচ্ছে দাদার সঙ্গে।
ওইটাই যাবি।